Hey, welcome back to the channel, folks. Appreciate you stopping by. My name is Rich. This here is the unboxing of the Midnite Cowboy custom Chevy wrecker by the Revell company. I've removed the plastic on this model kit, probably 25-30 years ago, and we're going to do an unboxing of it because I don't remember what's in there. From just looking at the box, I see it was, well, I've seen it somewhere on here. Here it is. This here kit is from 1978 by Revell, out of Venice, California. Made in USA. This here is kit number H1383. And we're going to go ahead and dig in there and see what kind of goodies we got in there today. This is a 125 scale. Alright, first off we have the instructions. Well, not much to the instructions, just one giant folded over piece of paper. So right from the get-go we're putting our engine together. Wow, getting right into her. Yep. Looks like we need some sewing thread here and a thimble. That'd be interesting. I'm sure that's for the, I don't know if, let's see, that's for the lines for the cables for your towing rig. Alrighty. Yeah, not a whole lot of instructions going on there. 57 steps according to them. Remember, it was 1978 though. Let me dig out my scissors here. First off, we have, well, look at there, one giant bag of parts. Go ahead and cut this open. Can't believe this has been in here since 1978, and it's the first time it's being opened. Wow. I know when I was younger I wanted this kit like crazy, and I finally got it, and well, here we are many years later. Finally getting around to opening it up. So there we have the body, the cab, and the hood. Looks like they're molded into one piece. We'll have to trim that up, obviously. Plastic itself is a little on the thinner side, especially compared to the last couple of videos I've done where the vehicles are really heavy duty, the plastic. This one here is a little bit thinner, but I mean it's stiff, it's strong, it's just a little on the thinner gauge. Yep. It always reminded me of a semi-truck, which I guess is the intent behind it. Yep, that's that. And here's your box end, your working end. Nice. That actually feels a little heavier, not by much. Got something going on there. A couple of scratches or something needs to be sanded down. Got one of these, whatever the heck that is. Must be for mounting this underneath or something, I'm not sure. And here we have parts that are marked inside. There's your firewall. This could go to the interior tub, which I don't see. Oh, here it is right here. So there's the tub with the seats already molded in. Got your pedals down there molded in. Feels like carpeting, so it's rough. It's not just like the straight lines when they usually simulate a rubber mat. This one actually feels like carpeting, or simulated carpet. Not much detail on your door panels whatsoever. No locks, no handle, no window crank, and nothing. Alright. Firewall itself has got, some decent pieces molded in there. Here we got a floor jack. Nice. The bottom part of it, the handles go. Here's the handle up here. Some wheels that are these wheels here. tires. Some gas cans, nice. Exhaust with a muffler. Okay. Don't know what these are. We'll find that out soon, maybe. Here's the boom arm for the towing thing, whatever the heck that's called. Well, I'm having a brain fart today. Here's push bar, bumper, and protector. Here's more parts for the towing apparatus. Fuel tank possibly. Oh, there's not really a whole lot here. I don't see. Oh, here's the. We'll get to that in a second. Here's the engine. Here's the intake manifold with the heads already molded on. Radiator. Some exhaust pipes. One of those, whatever it is. Maybe the roof rack. Yep. This is going to be the lights that stick out on the top here. Yep. Well, this one has a sunroof. I didn't catch that. But this will go right over it, I guess, to cover that up. Interesting. Here's the back part, this thing here. Front suspension. Some shock absorbers. Steering wheel right there. Nice looking steering wheel. I like that. It's sharp looking. Fan blade. Belt and pulley assembly. These I think might be for the wheels to attach to the front end and the rear end. And here we have the actual frame, the truck frame, rear end, springs for the front and the back, leaf springs with the shocks put on them, so those weren't shocks that I just looked at. Not quite sure what this little piece is right here. Maybe a master cylinder. Dashboard, very nice dash, laid out really sharp. Hopefully they have some decals included to dress it up real nice. That'd be a bear trying to do that one with just a paintbrush. The frame itself is thin like the rest of the body, but I mean it's sturdy enough to hold up for just a model that's going to sit on a shelf. Here we have some tires, nice tires, decent looking tread on them. Let me see, Wrangler something. Wrangler RT it says on them. I think they're Goodyears. Yep, it says good. Well, I don't know if you can see it. It says Goodyear there, and then Wrangler RT. 4 of those. So the fronts, looks like the front tires are slightly thinner than the rear ones. So there is a difference. Then we have some chrome parts, and 1978 they didn't put the clear parts in a bag, so here's your windshield and lights and side windows. Headlights, we'll put that over there. Lastly, for parts we have chrome. Here we go. Got the big old bumper with the grill cover. Some nice looking wheels. A little bit of flashing. Have to take care of that. The rear end cover. These look like mirror inserts. A little fuel tank. I don't know what these are. Another tank, I guess. That might be an air tank for back in there somewhere. Pretty neat. Couple of hooks. That's kind of cool. I don't know if you can see that right there. Some little lights for the rear. Nice. And last but not least, we have some decals. Whoa, not much for decals. This was a Revell on a budget kit, apparently. You got the lines, your safety marker lines, I guess those are the safety tape. Midnite Cowboy, with the steer head, the horns. And it says something here. It says last chance gas. And that's it. A couple of horseshoes. Well, there you have it, folks. That's the Midnite Cowboy, custom Chevy wrecker by Revell from 1978. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please be sure to check back often for more unboxings and hobby entertainment. Thank you to all my subscribers. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe because it really helps. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you on the next one.